mean, I'm feeling it. I like it. So let's plug her in. What the heck? Oh, my life. Hello, Casanova of the Ghetto speaking. It's a little skirt. Hey, skirt, skirt. It's a bit of an acquired taste, but acquire some taste. It's dope. I feel like that's gonna be,
I got C.
Which could be kind of edgy and cool if you did it right.
Flyer than be the juice, be the juice, be the juice.
I didn't partake. And it pays to stalk, not a person, because that's illegal. Y'all ain't gonna be cussing me out, period. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today's kind of chill. It's really gloomy out, but this is Vlogmas day 2, pretty sure. So yeah, like I said, it's pretty chill today, but I wanted to do a haul. I got some stuff from hmhome and I'm really excited about it, so let's hop in. Okay, so if you've been here for a while, you guys know how I feel about this lamp. I just feel like it's just the most amazing thing. One day I'll bite the bullet and get one. Don't know when that will be. But until then, I think I found something that will kind of scratch my itch. I saw this lamp on hmhome's website months ago, like I'd say probably 3 or 4 months ago, and it's been sold out. I've been stalking it, and it finally came back, and I said, cash me out immediately. So let's unbox it and see what it's giving. Ooh, came with a bulb. H&M, top tier. I love when lamps come with bulbs because that's just one less thing you have to worry about. Okay. All right, so there's a little bit of assembly that's required. It's out of here. Oh, but the mechanics look pretty easy. It just looks like it's 3 pieces and then a cord. So, okay, I mean, I get it. Make sure this isn't damaged. It looks okay. That looks like the bottom one. So basically it's like a 2-tiered lampshade, if that makes sense, which I love. So we just, I guess, stack these on top of each other, put it on this, and then did it come with the, let me put this together and come back. Because yeah. Okay, so I have it all put together. Like I said, it's double tiered for the lampshade, and then it's just the cylindrical body, which I feel like this is genius. Now, honestly, I don't know if I told y'all, but these were kind of pricey. They were $100 a piece. Yeah, $100 a piece. I did have a coupon, but still, like, wow. But honestly, I feel like that's a pretty fair price for what it is. So good. And I was kind of worried at first because, like I said, this cord came separately, so I was like, how is this gonna sit on the table flushed without this making it lean, because I mean the thickness of the cord. But it has like a little slit. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll show you on the side. So it has a little slit where the cord can fit and you just sit on the table. So I mean, a little $100 bob. It's giving. I love it. The fabric finish was a nice touch, so it's kind of giving that brass lamp that I really want in a second cousin version, if that makes sense. Like a softer Art Deco second cousin. I'm feeling it. I like it. So these are probably going to go in my bedroom on my nightstands. I'm going to be doing a refresh really soon, and let's see what the lighting is going to give, because that, y'all, I feel like I could have made this. I feel like I could have made this. Like if I got 2 lampshades and stacked them on top of each other, it could have been made. But it's okay, I'm gonna keep them because I feel like the design is genius and I don't have a problem supporting when support is deserved, you know? So let's plug her in real quick. Oh, try this again. What the heck? Oh, it's not plugged in. Hold please. Oh, my life! Hello, Casanova of the Ghetto speaking. Oh, okay. Take 3. What? Listen now. Turn that on. Take 4. There we go. Okay. I like it. It's cute if you ask me. So yeah, I'll link it down below. It is sold out right now. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. Don't get mad at me. There was only like 3 left when I bought it, and then somebody bought the last one. So I've been keeping my eye on it, but I will link it down below for you in case you like it and want to stalk it like I had to do. Hopefully it won't take months for them to restock this because this is y'all, this is really good. I really like this lamp. Really. Okay, so like I said, I got lamps because I was planning a bedroom refresh and I initially ordered this one. Now, I love how simple it was. That shade, that taupey, brownish mocha shade, you guys know I'm obsessed with, and I have that shade in my bedroom. So I was like, okay, these might be perfect. So let's see what that one is giving. And I'm gonna put it together before I come back here on camera. Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so this is her. It's basically the same setup as the other lamp where it's just 2 pieces put together with a little screw, and then you put the, what is this? It's like a socket. I think it's called like a socket light or socket lamp or something, or a lighting kit. It's a separate piece for the little lighting source. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Hopefully it makes sense. But like I said, love the shade, love how simple it is. I will say I don't know if I'm gonna like this one because, well, this isn't any different from any other cylindrical lampshade or drum shade. I feel like this is gonna be way too much light for my bedroom because y'all know my nightstands are very low. And if I sit this on the nightstand and have it on, actually, let me put a bulb in this and turn it on. All right. Okay. Okay. So clearly it's on, but like you see, do you see that? That's what would be displayed on top if I put it on my nightstands. And I feel like that's gonna be,
I gotta see. Just say no. Just say no. No, I gotta see.
I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Like when I do my bedroom refresh, we'll see. But it has basically the same, like I said, same setup as the previous lamp I showed you, and it has a little slit too for the cord. Like I said, I love how simple it is. I love the shade. I love the shape. But I don't know if the top is gonna work. Look. I was thinking maybe if it was covered on top, like if it had like a fabric covering, like if this was closed completely, it would be okay, but then there wouldn't be enough light coming down here. So I understand why they did it, and if it was like higher up somewhere, it would work. I don't know. Like I said, we'll see. But yeah, this one was only $55 for the large shade. They actually have this in cream, and they have smaller versions of this shade, of this lamp in this shade and the cream shade. So I might decide to get a smaller one for like my bookcases or something. But like I said, we'll test this out. But otherwise, pretty cool lamp. $55, not too bad. Okay, so this next piece I was anticipating like for a while. I ordered it and then they canceled it because I guess they ran out of stock right before I put my order in. But let me explain, because it look kind of crazy right now. I just took it out of the package, but actually I can show you better than I can tell you. So I saw these lamps on, I think I saw it on Pinterest. I think I saw it on Pinterest initially. Yeah, that sounds right. And I just thought they were so charming. Now I will say the aesthetic, it's a bit of an acquired taste, but acquire some taste. Like, it's dope. I just think it's so different. And it's like, what am I trying to say? It's like, when I look at those lamps, well, actually just the lampshade, because that's what makes the lamp so different. It feels, I guess the word I'm looking for is traditional, but not, if that makes sense. Like, it looks like it'll be in a traditional home, or a home that gravitates more towards vintage and antiques. It's just different. Like, it's not an empire shade. It's just kind of what it is. It's just different, and I like that. Drew over on Lone Fox did a reel or a tutorial on how he made these lampshades that kind of give like a softer vibe, and I was gonna do that, but then I saw these and I was like, I'll just buy it. I don't feel like going through all that. Like, y'all know I like an easy, quick DIY, and I saw that being kind of disastrous, so I didn't partake. Now, I do wish I could have gotten a solid shade, but that option wasn't available. They only had this beige stripe one, and now I think they have a black and white stripe one, which could be kind of edgy and cool if you did it right.
Fly it and be the juice, be the juice, be the juice.
But that wouldn't fit anywhere here in my home, so I didn't get that one. I was only able to get one. Like I said, these are apparently very coveted. Like, I'm not that crazy because other people like this. So I'm gonna have to find, I wish I had a base right now that I can think of that would go with this. And it's actually kind of blown out right now with this light. Editing, Andrea, insert that footage here. So yeah, she was only $30, which I didn't think was horrible. Pretty typical price for a lampshade. And I don't know, I'm excited about her. I feel like she'll look great in my kitchen, but we'll see. We'll have to find a place for her. And yeah. It's a little skirt. Hey, skirt, skirt. And the last pieces I got, they're not light fixtures, but I was gonna use them as light fixtures. Y'all know I be making stuff up. So Santa Monica proper hotel is like, I feel like everybody likes that space. Like, even if you don't prefer it, you can appreciate the beauty, because it's Kelly Wearstler. Like, she just gives. So there's a particular space. I'm not really sure if it's like the lobby. Like I said, I don't know. I've never been. But it has like these wall lights. But they're very, it looks like it's just a bulb. But to me, it's so simple, but so beautiful. And I really wanted something like that to be back here on either side of this painting. Like, just little small ones that kind of give a little bit of light, you know? And I couldn't find what I needed, so I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to make it. So I found these over on H&M, and let me open those really quick so we can see if my vision can come to life. Okay, I can see it. Hopefully I can explain it the way it looks in my head. So this is actually a candle holder. You can put a little tea light here, or you can put a pillar candle on the flip side. But I was thinking I could do a command strip back here, stick it on the wall, and then do those little battery operated tea lights that I've shown you guys that I use in my bedroom. I can put them in here and give that effect back here. I'm gonna wait on that though, because I actually ordered some different light fixtures. You're gonna have to stay tuned to see them. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the vibe. Like, I'm hoping they're gonna look as good as they do on the site. But like I said, stay tuned. Those should be delivered on Wednesday, which is today's Saturday. So it'll be here in a few days, and I'll share the link on that video. I just want to make sure before I tell you guys to get it, because you have to pay for return shipping, and y'all ain't gonna be cussing me out, period. I don't play that. We don't do those negative vibes over here, okay? So I don't like to, what's the word I'm looking for? Recommend something that I haven't seen in person. So just a few more days and come back here. We'll have some videos in between there, but I promise you I'll share it. So I'm gonna wait to put these up there until I get those to see which ones I like better. But even if I don't use them on the wall here, I can use them on the wall in the future, or just in the meantime use them as like a little filler on my coffee table or my console table, put a little tea light. I think I like it better as a tea light holder than with the pillar candle. I mean, that's kind of basic, but I love a little tea light situation. So yeah, and these were on sale. I looked today, they're still available, so I will link those down below for you. It's just like an iron base, really simple, and yeah, be super cute in like a bathroom or just anywhere. Yeah. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Like I said, I will link what I can below. Stalk that first lamp, y'all. I'm telling you, it pays to be patient, and it pays to stalk. Not a person, because that's illegal, but an actual item. I've done that so many times and I've looked up. So yeah, I'll link that down below for you guys. It'll be in my LTK for Essential Space, so you don't have to come to this particular video. So I think that's it. Is that it? Did I forget anything? That's it, that's all. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.